What was Bunny Wailer famous for? Neville Riley Livingston OMOJ, April 10, 1947, March 2, 2021, known professionally as Bunny Wailer, was a Jamaican singer-songwriter and percussionist. He was an original member of reggae group the Wailers along with Bob Marley and Peter Tosh. Is Bunny Wailer wife still missing? Jean Watt, known to family and friends as Sister Jean, was reported missing on May 23, 2020, after apparently wandering out of Wailers' home in Kingston. The 70-year-old suffers from dementia and had been Wailer's wife for over 55 years, before he died on March 2, 2021. There is no news as to whether she had been found. The reggae legend had previously struggled with speech issues following his first minor stroke in 2018. Bunny Wailer passed away in March 2021. Here are some of his most memorable quotes. If you are living in a marketplace and you're no buyer or seller, you'll find yourself left in space subject to be bought or sold. If you are living in a tenant yard and you are not the landowner, you'll get a notice from your landlord to leave sooner or later. If you are in bondage, liberation. If you are not free, you need liberation. If you are working on a plantation and you are not the boss man, don't ever rest from being tired or you could get fired. If you don't belong to one party and you belong to another, you are subversive to unity and no man is your brother. For the sake of the younger generations, putting hearts and minds to brotherhood and unity. Mellow mood has got me, so let the music rock me. I've got to stay free so that my kids won't be battering down sentence, fighting against convictions. We'll get our breakfast from the tree, we'll get our honey from the bees, we'll take a ride on the waterfalls and all the glories, we'll have them all. Be yourself and no one else. It's time you stop your adaptions, then you'll know the truth is in you and learn to make your own decision. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word manifested itself in the flesh. Am the conqueror, conquering, and to conquer, am the conqueror. Some call I Jah Jah Master.